Based in Hong Kong, Finverse's ambitious goal is to enable open banking throughout the Asia Pacific region. The startup recently came out of stealth mode with $1.8 million in seed funding and is now live in 4 markets: Hong Kong, the Philippines, Singapore, and Vietnam, which connects to 30 banks. Founder and Chief Executive Officer Stéphane Lessafre told TechCrunch that Finverse plans to launch in one new market per quarter, with the goal of covering about 75% of consumer and SMEs bank in each place. Participants in Finverse's seed round include Feb Ventures, Golden Gate Ventures, 630, Ventura, and Angel Investor. Finverse is among a crop of fintechs developing APIs that allow easier sharing of financial data. The most prominent examples include Plaid in the United States and Tink and TrueLayer in Europe. Finverse's seed funding included angel investment from TrueLayer employees. Before starting Finverse in 2020, Lessafre was Senior Product Manager of Financial Data Integrations at NerdWallet, working with account aggregation APIs like Plaid and legacy player Yodlee. Plaid won the US market because it was reliable and developer friendly, Lessafre said. It did not offer as much data coverage as Yodlee, but what it did do is a very narrowly focused set of data very well and very easy to build. My ultimate learning from NerdWallet is that bad data is really worse than no data. At the core, we are basically a consent-based data pipe, where a consumer follows Finverse to connect to their account and share it with another fintech or financial institution, said Lessafre. This can include information about accounts, balances, transaction histories, and bank statements. Assessing this data gives financial institutions a sense of the consumer's assets and liabilities and can be used to perform things like income estimates, credit checks, and gauge ability to repay. Lessafre said that Finverse's early adopters are mostly fintech startups, including a mix of SMEs, lending providers, and buy now, pay later services.